Well, the weather's starting to get real cloudy, and we're waiting for that snow to come through. So I thought I would do a couple carpet pieces here. Carpeting's pretty basic. I'm just using like a black outdoor carpet. It's a charcoal. I know I had a different style. I'll see if I can see it here. Kind of like this color. It's more of a bluey gray. Of course, those are my hatches I'll be reusing, but this stuff was on the boat for over a year. And I mean, other than the color itself, there's really nothing wrong with it. It's just one of those things I definitely wanted to kind of make it look a little bit better. Honestly, this is pretty much the most basic thing you can do. I did glue the backside to the actual wood here. What I usually do, I'm quite picky, like I said, so there's a whole bunch of little lines in the actual carpet, just the seam lines. So I usually make sure I match that up with one of the seams there. Pretty, like I said, pretty easy. Fold it over. I like to have at least 1 inch overhang, and then just staple it in. Just make sure you're pulling it. I usually do the back, then the front, then I pull from side to side. And you know, it's like I said, it's lasted pretty good for me. So I'm gonna get this on so I can start kind of prepping my my trolling motor on there. But like I said, I'll take another video once it's all done.